did you hide your smile? Is it beneath your tongue, or did you hide it on a drawing you made years ago? Is it trapped behind the glass of a framed picture? Or did you hide it in a shoebox under your bed? Where you keep all those objects, ticket stubs, poems, pebbles from the seaside we visited. I wish you left your room more often, or at least you allowed me to visit you. You said, the odyssey of our lives could be more than an oscillation between the things we didn't choose. Therefore, I shouldn't worry about you. When we were kids, you used to give all your favorite toys away. And I thought maybe this is what happened to your smile. You simply gave it away. I asked your parents about it, and they told me that they did everything they could. I asked your friends about it, and they told me it's impossible to help a friend with depression. You used to give your smile to everyone so proudly, until the day you didn't. The memory of you radiating happiness is fading. The best poems are hidden under a bed in a shoebox. Maybe like your smile. Yesterday, a stranger smiled at me. I smiled back at them. And for some reason, I knew. Dear friend, I wrote this poem to tell you that I found your smile.